Hello, diecast fans, and welcome to another brand new episode of Jim's Magnificent Miniature Motor Cars. And I'm especially happy to bring you this episode because I'll finally, after so many months, be unboxing a brand new Ford Shelby GT500 from Mini GT, and not just any Ford Shelby GT500, but a concept car, the Dragonsnake concept in Oxford white. So without any further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, as you can see, I had to deal with a rather robust batch of shrink-wrapped plastic there. But it was worth it to get to this beautiful thing here. And let's see how it compares to the other Shelby GT500 I currently have in my collection. Similarly from Mini GT. And as you can see, they are different. They are substantially different. There are more vents in the hood of this white one. It's not just a different paint job, but the arrow is different as well. And you have a different rear wing adorning this. So apparently this Supersnake is supposed to be some kind of drag racing specialty car. In fact, let's compare it to another car in my collection that has a similar rear wing. This very stylized Datsun Bluebird by Jun Imai. Okay, the Kaido House Datsun. See, as you can see, the rear wing appears to be similar in concept. Not really sure what the aerodynamic benefits of this kind of rear wing are. I'm not an expert. But I will say that this Mustang here, well, it looks really slick. And it compares very well to the Shelby. Of course, those of you who've been watching this channel know I gave this Shelby a 10 out of 10. And you know what? I see no reason to do any differently with this white one. It looks magnificent. So, yeah, basically, this car gets a 10, full 10. And that's it for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this new episode. Still got more content coming. And for the guys and gals who just got here, please consider giving me a like, a subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you all.